MWA stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I'm looking at Mueller Water Products, and it is up 16%, which is cool. Context, I have gotten thousands of correct predictions over the last 4 years, spent thousands on courses and mentors, documented everything. And looking at MWA, I absolutely love this beautiful bullish chart. Like, it's such a goals, you know, it just goals. It's the price is just delivering. And all I can say is that I'm looking to double down on this. Although, like, what I'm not gonna do is just jumping on and buy the top. No, I'll be patient and wait for some little retracements. Now, the thing about this is the retracement might never come, so it's always up to you. But I myself am not going to move forward unless I see a little retracement and my rules being met. Because other than that, everything else, you know, it's going to be noise. So I'm going to continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.